Hey guys, me Moonrise, and today I'm going to be doing Minecraft. If you're wondering what the number in the corner is, that's the recording thing. Nah, I'm doing online because I want to play some zombies or something. I don't know what I want to play. I just want to relax and have some fun. But sure, I don't know. I just want to have some fun with some people online. Okay, I was just having a drink. No, no, sir. Hello. Basically, stay at your doors. Wait, I have quite a lot. I can't see anything. It's so not bright. Okay, I've turned my brightness right up. Whoa! Go away, sir. Just reloading. Wow! Go away. Okay. Wow! I'm bad at fighting. Shoot! Can't fight. I'm bad with swords. I'm better with guns. Help! Help! I'm so bad with swords at Minecraft. I'm so bad at fighting. Wait, what's going on? Doing good? Doing good? Fine, fine. Everyone fine. Everyone is fine. He's fine. Everyone's fine. It's fine. Ah! Leave zombie people. No, 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 no. Help! Help! Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I don't need anyone's help. No, 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 no more. No more of you. No more. No. No, no, no. Okay. Everyone okay? Yes, everyone is okay. We could open a door. We should probably open a door. We should open a door, guys. Open a door. Someone, anyone, open a door. Oh, ow. Ow, go away. Wait, what? That zombie pigman just went round the corner. That doesn't usually happen. I don't think that does happen. Seriously, someone needs to open a door or something. I'm gonna open a door. Wait, how much is this? I don't know what they are. Shit. I've gone into the office. I don't think anyone's coming with me, but I want gear. I want to be able to get some better gear. Damn it. Everyone's getting gear now. Yeah, leather leggings and boots. I'm not an idiot, people. This is what you should do. I have no gold at all. Someone should stay in there and someone should stay down here. Seeing as I helped, I think. Oh my god, shotguns are terrible. Oh my god. Hey. Oh, fudge. No. Someone's down in the office. Yeah, you go, you go. Oh, wow. No. Behind you! Behind you! Behind you, go! I didn't actually hear it. Okay, I did it, I did it. This is so fun. Round 8. Wait, what? No, it's my thing's doing that thing again while it goes. I don't want to go forward. I'm not holding the forward button, but I'm going forward anyway. Damn it. I don't know why I'm doing this. Help, help, help me. My game refuses to stop me. I'm having to hold the back button here to stay still. Help, help, help. Why am I going forward? This is kind of useful. Oh, Jesus. I can't go backwards. I can't go backwards. Help me. I can't go backwards. Hey guys, I'm back again. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me go over here. Let me go over here. I think my recording may have messed up. Oh my god. You need to open more doors. Someone open a door. Okay. I can get the special gun. I need rifle. I need a rifle. Rifles. Yes. Damn it. Fine. This one. I will give. This is the best gun because it like has tons of ammo. It has the most ammo. Oh, you go over here. Someone quit! Damn it! There's only 3 of us now. There's only 3 of us. Okay, someone's up here, so I'm coming. Yes, I need this. I am so bad. Someone has gold? Where did you get the gold from? I just don't know where you got the gold from. Wait, no. I'm not stupid. I'm not an idiot. I'm not an idiot. I'm not an idiot. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ah! Help! Help! No! I died! Oh. playing this again.